dear members, Namaste from my side. I am Sandeep Goel, CFO of EdCIL India Limited. We are a public sector under Ministry of Education and trying to implement the new education policy of the country. Our company is working towards the goal of Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, to make India Viksit Bharat by 2047. So I am very pleased that our NIRC of ICMA is doing a program on Viksit Bharat and how cost accountants can contribute towards Viksit Bharat. So I congratulate them for doing such an innovative thing and in doing such a big manner. I will also request all the members to please participate, and since they are in positions, they can nominate other CMAs or chartered accountants or other finance people to go and see what cost accountants can do there and what are the ideas given by cost accountants. The cost accountants are one of the most important finance profession. I feel this way. In my career of around 33 years, I have felt this thing. Yes, we look into the cost, we look into the profitability of the product, and then only we decide. So for becoming Viksit Bharat, I have to see to it that yes, I get the best products at the least cost. That is what cost accountant can do. And I once again congratulate everybody and request everybody to participate. Thank you very much.